Have you seen a bunch of videos, including mine, saying do planning, do planning, do planning, and you do planning and still ended up doing nothing for you or doing anything for your satisfaction? If you ended up in that category like me, then definitely this video is for you. Create a plan and choose the right planner that works for you. Welcome to Tips and Tricks with itslinslife. Hi, hello everyone, welcome. I don't know how I'm gonna end this video up because it is so urgent. Today is Thursday, tomorrow is the video upload, and I have it recorded and I have to edit. So many works are there and I have to do a lot of works today. It's like piles of work. Anyways, hope for best. Let's do. I thought this is the right day to do this video. Today we are gonna have a small discussion about why it is not working with us women. How about men? Well, I do not know. I'm going to talk commonly for women. Maybe men can also find it helpful, or maybe absolutely beep beep beep. If you doesn't know, or maybe if you know, I started my YouTube journey from 2018. Yeah, you won't find that channel right now. Yeah, still it is there, but you won't find any contents over there. I was a baby when that YouTube journey has started. I didn't know anything even about YouTube or about technology, anything, nothing. I was like a super baby. Still I am a baby, but I do learn so many things during this process. Planning. I did a lot of plannings for myself. So you must have heard, do only one thing. Exactly, that's 100% correct. Do only one thing at a time. But when it comes to women, we do million things, especially if you're a housewife, working woman, mother to a kid or animals. Life is like 100 hands, 100 legs and 100 words in a day. Oh my. Even from me, myself, you must have heard use planner, use that, use this. Before I take the last gap from the YouTube, somebody has asked me how it's possible, why she cannot do it even she is doing planner or she's have planners. I absolutely turned into an observation mode and I started observing, talked with few people about their plannings, how comfortable they are. One thing I observed was each person use different type of planners. This is what I felt. Okay, I don't know if it's a proven approach or if anybody says about this. I absolutely don't know. If you do know, please let me know in the comment section. So this one, what I'm going to share is from my experience and my observation. First one is choosing the right planner for you. Now it is easy for us to fall in all the kind of planners because we saw some woman or men says do this kind of planning, do Pomodoro technique, do monthly planner, do weekly planner, so many planners, and it works amazing for them. They do share a lot of amazing tips for you and you try those, but you still feel pressure, you still feel stressful, and you still couldn't finish the works, and you think that I am not talented, that person is talented, that's why they are doing it, right? But that is not about talent. It is about choosing the right planner for you. I'm gonna take you through a storyline about my experience. Maybe from that you can have some ideas. Okay, some says monthly planner is good, so write everything on the monthly planner, and you wrote everything on the monthly planner and you're like, oh my goodness, I have so many things packed, I don't know how I finish. Instead of doing it easily, you started freaking out and stressing out. Before saying more, let me remind you, planning or getting in routine with the planning, what you planned, or doing your work is a time process. It's not overnight, it's over time. I have my products ready. I started using monthly planner. First thing I felt is, wow, that's a lot of things when I can finish. That's a lot of video to record. How can I record? And I started making so many plans and it doesn't work at all. Yes, it does help me to see a month in an overview, but in terms of productivity, I feel less productive. I started using weekly planner along with the monthly planner. It was good. I see Monday I need to do this, on Tuesday I need to do this, but to me, I'm not a timetable person. I will do my work efficiently, but I'm not a timetable person. I use my daily planner over here. When I started using daily planner, I do works of daily, But even when I have time to do next day's work, I do not do it because that one was assigned for next day and I started taking rest. So instead of working smart, I become like, take more rest and less work. I do know few of my friends use daily plan and they said they don't have any such issues. They are good at doing daily works and tomorrow they do their things. I'm like, okay, that's good. Good to know. Next was notepad. So notepad is usually to do the to-do list. It's like whatever is coming in my mind. There's no planning. Whatever is coming in my mind to do is what I do on notepad. That also look like more rest because when I don't remember, I'm like, okay, today's work is done. But then later, by the end of the day, I'm like, oh my goodness, I forgot to do that. So memo pad, it's like a sticky note. It didn't work with me at all. This is my weekly to-do list. You must have saw this in my last video, and I started writing all the things which I have to do for the week. I'm like, okay, that's not bad. I can see what are the things I have to do for this week. I feel very happy with that. And then along with the weekly planner, what I did was I wrote it in a daily planner. So this is one of my friend's daily planner, Armor Planner. I started writing in that. So here and inside there is time stamping and it is really efficient. I was really productive, but after doing that daily planner for a few months, like so much pressure with, I wrote it on a time, like at 9 o'clock I will be doing this one, I will be doing that one, and the time went to 10:30 and I didn't finish the work at 9 o'clock, and I started freaking out like, oh no, my 30 minutes is gone and I don't know when I'm gonna finish. Like I said, I'm not a timetable person and then time didn't stick with me. It is good. I feel like, no, it's too much, I cannot manage all that. I'm reassessing. I feel happy with this one, of course, my weekly to-do list. And also I started happy with my monthly planner. This month's monthly planner, a Patreon monthly planner from Epina's Illustrator, the Bia's monthly digital download through her Patreon. Oh my goodness. So yeah, I use her monthly planner sometimes. I use my monthly planner sometimes. One time I'm like, oh, there's just so many things to do. So I decided to write only appointments and birthdays. I didn't write about videos because I don't want to. Scheduled meeting with any client, I wrote that much only. If you saw my last video, you can connect that video with this video. I wrote my weekly to-do list and I did my work, how I manage home and my work. You must have saw that. If you didn't, I will link there, you can go watch it. So I started writing my weekly planner and I started making stars and dots. Stars means very important, that I must try to finish it today. If it finished, then the dots can be, the first dot, second dot can be done today. I see that I was really good at finishing my works. For me, do my notebook. So for me, a monthly planner and weekly to-do list and my notebook. So this is like everything, my client meeting details, my product details, everything, if there is something I want to write, all of that, if there's any timetable I should do, everything is written over here in this notebook. So these three are the things which work for me. I'll tell another example. Meal planner. Some are so good at writing meal planners with what all meals you're gonna cook on this week and what are the groceries you needed, so and so. But that doesn't work with me because my character is, I like to cook whatever I feel from my heart. I don't make the written cook from the cookbook. Meal planning doesn't work for me. That's not my character. So you see, each person's planning or character is different. So what is your character? What is that you enjoy to do and you doesn't enjoy to do? If somebody is telling you to do a monthly planner, it doesn't mean that you have to do a monthly planner, okay? Likewise, that is how my planning works. So what is that work for you? How can you make that plans? So next, create a plan that works for you. So from last week video, you know that how I created the plan of managing my work and home. So from that you will get an idea. The other thing is the type of person you are. I do mention about the morning person and night person in some other video. Try to interconnect your task. So if you're a night person, give a 1 hour rest, watch TV or movie, whatever, take coffee and do all the stuffs, take rest, take good sound, good rest, and then go start cooking. And then after cooking, you do have to wash your dishes. So connect your washing dishes with the house tidying up. I'm not talking about whole house cleaning, but tidying up your house. Likewise, connect your tasks. If you're a morning person, when you wake up, try to wake up early and do a quick tidy up in the house after you're cooking your breakfast, and then go take bath and get ready and go for work. Interconnect your task with your routines. So I hope this gives you an idea of how to have a plan for yourself and how to find a planner that works for you. I just shared my way with you. Please do not follow what I said about me. That is mine, okay? Please don't follow what I said, because I shared my story. Do not do that. It won't work for you. There's only one person. There's only one Linta, right? There's only one Linta, and there's only one Linta's house, right? There's only one you, and there's only one your house, and there's only one your work, and there's only one your work schedules. So look into it. Take the planners that works for you. Try to use 1 or 2 planners combined, and do not fill up everything in it, all the planners, okay? Because when you look at one planner, you should feel relaxed, not stressful. And so if you do find a planner or plan that works for you, please do let me know in the comment section which kind of planner you like, or what kind of planner you do, and what kind of plan you have. How you're gonna work smart and hard. Okay, so if you do have that, if you find that, please let me know. And if you do have some idea from yourself, please make sure to comment that in the comment section, my dear friends. Please do that, so we can all of the people who watch or read can make a plans. And if you do have any other video suggestions, please do let me know. If you do like this video, thumbs up. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, you better subscribe. I'm seeing that most of my viewers are non-subscribers. I don't allow you guys to do that, okay? You better subscribe, or else nothing. I will be keep doing the videos. So if you do subscribe, please do let me know. Just say hello, that's all. And anyone who joined to the channel, welcome to my channel. So here I do multi-niche, all the productivity video or cleaning video for a woman or homemaking. If you do love an art, if you're an art lover, I do have an art channel, Linta Illustration. You can join all there as well. Everything is linked is in the description box. And thank you so much if you have joined. Welcome to my channel. If you decided to join, thank you so much. I hope to see you all next week. Thank you. Bye bye. I'm so tired, guys. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. I'm not tired. Actually, I'm sick. I'm not sick, but I have a throat, upper respiratory tract infection. So, and I use the medicine, and I'm fine. So this is already 26 minutes. I have to edit this to maximum of 13 minutes. Oh my gosh. If my husband hears that, he's gonna kick my butt. He don't like me saying, oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, he's fine with him. But no, my gosh, he's not. Okay. Hope to see